Now we'll learn about mirror tools. So they have a wall, or they have some elements, and we need to create hubahu copy of that like mirror. So how we can do it? Simply select the element you want to take a mirror. Then they have two options. The one is mirror peak axis and another is mirror draw axis. They have some difference. So see, if we want to take a mirror of that, we need a glass like that. Okay, so they have no option to take that as a reference for glass, but by using that option we can draw axis and we can go for mirror. So if I click that on and draw a mirror anywhere, so if I take a mirror here, see here another wall have been created. But if I select that on and if I take that mirror, they have no option to draw a wall. If I click here, see no mirror or no point are creating. So what we can do, that we can take some wall or some point as a reference. So if I just click here, see a reference point are being created. If I click here, a element have been created here. So this is the way to use our that mirror tools perfectly. So thank you very much.